Hey everybody, David Max here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of building types. From the houses we live in to massive factories off the highway, cities are carefully planned ecosystems. Residential buildings focus on comfort while commercial buildings serve different purposes. Industrial buildings produce goods, military bases keep us safe, and stadiums host our favorite teams. Each building type impacts how we live, work and play. Stick around as we uncover the secrets behind their construction. First up, let's talk about the places we call home. Residential buildings, from cozy bungalows to towering high-rises, keep a roof over our heads. Single-family homes, apartments, condos, each has its own materials and design considerations. Wood, brick, concrete and eco-friendly materials all play a role in modern homes. A well-built home needs a solid foundation, good insulation and proper ventilation to save on energy bills. All right, let's talk business. Commercial buildings, office towers, shopping malls, restaurants drive our economy. Location is key, accessible, visible and plenty of parking. Inside, it's about open floor plans, high ceilings and ample electrical wiring. Design attracts customers and keeps them comfortable. Now we're heading into the industrial zone, where the real heavy lifting happens. Factories, warehouses, manufacturing plants. These places are the backbone of our economy. Industrial buildings prioritize function over form, with massive steel structures and reinforced concrete floors. Complex electrical systems and ventilation handle fumes and dust. Safety is paramount, with fire suppression systems, emergency exits and clear signage. From factories, we shift gears to military buildings. Barracks, training facilities, command centers, built to withstand time and enemy fire. Reinforced concrete walls, blast-resistant windows and strategic design maximize security. Specialized facilities like firing ranges and simulation rooms train soldiers for any situation. Entertainment buildings, theaters, concert halls, stadiums transport us and make us forget our worries. Acoustics are key in concert halls, with sound-absorbing materials and angled walls. Stadiums need wide concourses, strategically placed restrooms and clear exit routes to manage crowds. These designs ensure a seamless, enjoyable experience for everyone. Institutional buildings, schools, hospitals, government offices are community cornerstones. Accessibility is key, with ramps, elevators and wide hallways. Hospitals must be sterile, well-lit and have backup generators. Schools need durable surfaces, flexible classrooms and natural light. Government buildings require durability, security and ample office space. These structures support the public good and our daily lives. Mixed-use buildings combine residential, commercial and sometimes industrial spaces under one roof. Imagine living in a high-rise with shops on the ground floor and a gym in the basement. Designing these structures is complex, considering noise levels and traffic flow. When done right, mixed-use buildings can revitalize neighborhoods and create vibrant communities. They offer convenience and reduce urban sprawl. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the diverse world of building types. Each structure plays a vital role in shaping our lives, from homes to factories. It's about understanding the needs of the people who use these buildings and the challenges of each project. These structures impact our communities and the environment. Appreciate the complexity and ingenuity behind each structure. Did you enjoy our construction adventure today? Hit that like button and subscribe for more architecture and construction videos. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. More exciting episodes are coming, exploring green building and future skyscrapers. Knowledge is power in building a better tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. Until next time, I'm David Max, reminding you to build smart, build safe, and build with passion.